So welcome to Virginia Highland Haven Airstream Park. I've got the clubhouse in the background. So this is a Airstream only community outside of Floyd, Virginia. I'm gonna take you on a little tour of the campground. I will say this is probably mine and Mel's favorite so far. If you have an Airstream, you have to come to this. There's not a lot within 10 minutes from here, but it's just beautiful. You do have the town of Floyd. You have Christiansburg, which is not far from here. Floyd is a really cool little town. They have Floyd Fest every year. A lot of bluegrass music on Friday nights, but there is just view after view. The temperature, we're in the middle of September. Woke up this morning, it was 49 degrees. It's about 72 right now. I think it's the high today, but this place is just beautiful. I mean, I can't, and everybody here is just so nice. You seem like a family when you're here. Everybody wants to stop, talk. Everybody's asking about each other's Airstreams. There are some cool ones here. Saw a 2003 with a slide out, which I'd say I'll get to show you here in a minute, but it's just beautiful. There is a pottery barn right beside of us, which is Mel's favorite, and maybe one day. We've already talked about, you know, we've already talked about possibly getting a bigger one at some point. And there's UPS guy behind me. Already talked about getting a bigger one at some point. Love to have like a 25 or 28 footer. I think anything bigger than that would be just too big. But for right now, the 19 foot is perfect. But so our last day on vacation. Man, it's been a good one. And so for the past 2 mornings, we've walked this road. We're in Virginia near Floyd. Actually in a little town called, well, it's not even a town, it's a community, called Check. And here we're staying at Virginia Highland Haven Airstream Park. So the road we walked in on, or walking, is this. We'll walk this and then we'll walk some more in the park. In the park there's probably 3 or 4 miles of hiking trails. And you got 2 different waterfalls inside the park. There's 72 acres that the campground owns, and it's for Airstreams only. So if you have an Airstream, I would suggest you got to come up here and check it out. Although I'm saying it and it's like it's your own little secret and I don't want anybody else to know, but one thing that I have learned, both of us have learned, that everybody here makes you feel at home. Everybody here has been so nice. It's like a family. Last night at 5 o'clock they had happy hour with hors d'oeuvres and cocktails, and we just sit around, talk to everybody, and then after that we went into Floyd and listened to some bluegrass, because on Friday nights in Floyd they have, gosh, I bet there was what, 20 bands playing?
Oh, yeah.
At least. So that was neat. But here, unlike wherever we've stayed before, you're out in the country, you're out away from everybody. but the view and the people make this place. So once we get up here, I'll take you on a tour and show you the campground, and I'll take you inside the campground. What do you call it? Cabin, not the cabin.
The lodge.
The lodge. So I'll take you inside of it, and that's actually where the board members meet. There's a washer and dryer, bathrooms, no showers, clothesline, in case you want to hang your clothes, which is really neat. All right, gonna take you inside the lodge and just let you look around. So we got an outdoor screened in pavilion, a couple grills, so a place to gather if it's raining. Got a bathroom, cool old piano. So this used to be an old house that they just redid and made sort of a clubhouse for this place. A lot of, like I said, a lot of the board members will do meetings in here. You got a puzzle if you want to work it. Somebody's halfway done with it. A cool map. So you have the room with everything, the repairs needed, other tasks. So what happens here is the owners will get together and they will just sort of take one off the board and say, I'll do that, which is really cool about this campground, because there's 46 sites with 46 owners. So it's actually, whenever you buy into it, you have an option of keeping your camper here for 6 months, because it's open from May to October. There's Mel and Callie. So we're going to take you up and show you the campground. You got sites 41 to 46. Down here on the other side of 46, there is a trail that'll take you to a smaller waterfall. We didn't do that one. Chan stays there. He's our host this week. And thumbs up to Chan. Great guy, awesome host. So as we get up here closer, we can see the view and the remains of happy hour down here. So down here in the little flat, well, it's not a flat area, but the little moat area, you got an apple orchard. Hence the reason there's a number of deer and bear here. And now there is our, I think our heat's on. So we had some awesome neighbors, Bill and Michelle from Virginia. They stayed right here. And there's Bill.
He's videoing.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
What's that?
I said you're gonna be on.
I'm like an idiot when I'm doing it.
One thing that this has made us, this is like a JCPenney catalog at Christmas, because you just walk by and you're like, oh my gosh, that was nice. That was nice. And you just want to, you're like, I want that. But this one is really neat. Jimmy and Angie from Florida have this one, and it is a 2003 with a slide out. I think it's a 2003 with a slide out. It is the neatest Airstream though, with the slide out. But then you have the start of the trails. You have 3 or 4 different trails. There's a blue, a green, a red. I think the yellow is down that way. We did the red trail with the waterfall, and it was a good hike down there, but that's where we had our happy hour last night. Chris and Sabrina from Big Stone Gap hosted it. But yeah, there are so many cool Airstreams here. So we Met this couple here and their little dog Kylie got to run around with Miracle. She's a golden retriever. They're from North Carolina and they got a 1974 Airstream that is super shiny.
Bye, y'all have fun today.
It was great meeting you guys. The sites are, so I'll show you these sites here. This is 21, but you have sewer, electric, water, and you have a concrete pad that Chan did amazing whenever he backed us up. We were right on it. So it worked out perfect. We were able to put our oversized rug, which I was stupid. I bought one that was almost twice the size of the camper. So we're gonna have to downsize and get a smaller rug. It's what you do whenever you get an Airstream. You're like, ooh, I need this, I need this, I need this. Or for that fact, any camper. But we did that and realized that it was way too big. But all in all, campground is amazing. The people are amazing. It's just a great place to come unwind and relax.